Hello there, Aaron Ford, Western Regional Manager for SuperVac. I'm here with Tim Hodgins, Central Regional Manager for SuperVac. What we've done is we've collected 3 of the most powerful, popular saws that are operated in a battery platform. And what we've been able to do is create a carbide chain and bar that we can attach a depth gauge to improve the cuttability of this saw for the fire service. So if we take this and put it on, we can adjust our depth up to a 1/2 inch to 5 inches, set at the depth that you want for your plunge cut or roof cuts. What we want to do is be able to show you the difference between the standard wood cutting chain that comes straight out of the box compared to what we've created in our carbide 050 carbide tip chain.